Hello! Thought I'd do an EDC update, because things have changed over the past year, of which you can probably tell the name tape, pretty sure that's changed. But anyway, took my name off there, put the old initialism on there. Don't forget to be awesome. Flag's the same. Everything in this pocket's the same. Everything in this pocket's the same. This one's got ponchos and trash bags. Those are useful. And the main pouch, I've got glow sticks, because why not? A shopping bag, because why not? Gloves, because it's cold in the winter. Still got rape whistle with all that doohickey on there. Plastic forks. I ended up buying plastic forks for lunches at work, and it worked out pretty well. Got a tiny folding shovel. I haven't used that, but it's handy if I ever do need to use it. Got the bandanas in there. And the front thingy. Not something I usually carry in the bag. It's usually in my pocket. And it's nice to have. Runs out of fuel way too fast. I end up using in here somewhere. This get together a whole lot more because this never runs out of fuel. And this cuts everything I need it to cut. So that's all my EDC needs right there. But this bag, I've got earmuffs because it's cold during the winter. Had some fancy sunglasses and they got smudged up. But then those got ran over by a car because I luckily didn't. This, not exactly sure why I put that in there, but I am sure that it's leaking now. Wonderful. That's awful. Just set that aside. Pocket Constitution with a super potion inside. Awesome. Got tin of matches. No, I don't use this stuff. Just use some matches. Get that back in there. Got hand sani. Got more matches. I don't know why I have the storm matches in here, because these are waterproof. The other ones aren't. But I've got heavy storm matches. I've got old name badge for a place I don't work. I've got candles. Got more candle. I've got partially used wipe for something. Thing that gets me is, like, I don't always use all of a moist towelette or a screen wipe cloth, so I just toss it into an airtight sealed container so I can use it again. It's handy. Saves money. Fire striker. I've got 5 different fire making means. Anyway, this is that same Starburst, I think. That's disgusting. I'm not eating that. Wallet's the same. Main EDC knife is the same. I really like this knife. It's relatively cheap and it's good. It does everything. The only thing I don't like is it might be a little big. What else do I have in here? New phone. Don't know what it is. Ended up switching out the phone pouch onto the side. This thing still carries binoculars. I think I took my flashlight out of there. The rope was also removed since I didn't use that nearly enough. But yeah, so I think that's everything. This bag is actually quite good if you just want to like carry a bunch of stuff. To me it's nothing more than a glorified fanny pack. So if you got something against that, someone's evidently going to have something against this. Yeah, so that's cool. Good stuff. Yep, I have the pride. Anyway, so thanks for watching.